Hey shopper, so you're looking at the SereneLife SLPAC10, the portable air conditioner, SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner 10. And of course, here's the user's manual, just to show you that the manual that it comes with. And then here is the remote control. All of the buttons that you see on the remote control that control high, mid, low, up, down, cool, dry, fan, etc., timer, on and off button. Those are all corresponding to the same buttons that are on top of the unit. The unit is powered off currently, and you see the current temperature in the room at 72 degrees. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Before I do that, I'm gonna show you that the cord, you've got a reset button and a test button. So it's a trip protection right there in the cord. And let me whip around the back here. Actually, I'll just turn it around so that we can keep the light on it and just show you that on the back side here is where the power cord comes in. But right here's your drain feature, because this particular unit is a humidifier and also an air conditioner. Now, keep in mind that if you're going to use it as a dehumidifier and you have to hook up the hose, you're going to put that in a drain somewhere. You're not just going to drain it out onto the floor. You're going to have a wet, hot mess. And then right here, you've got this for venting air outside through a window if you so choose, and that just locks and unlocks by twisting. Pretty easy. And then you can see that it rolls around pretty easily. It's on these nice wheels that roll really easily on the floor. And so let's go ahead and get the unit turned on. Let's push back here so we got some good light for us so that you can see. And so I'll just utilize the power button, turn it on, and you can see that it's set to cool and low. And so we can just adjust the temperature up and down to 70, let's say 69, 68. And here, turn on. So that's the low setting. And I'm gonna just flip through those so that you can hear the difference in the pitch. I know that it's hard to pick up when you're listening to a video, but at least it gives you some sense of an idea. So let's go to the speed, medium. Heard it just kick up a little bit, and then we will kick it up to high. So that's high. Let's kick it back down to low. So now it's on low. And then if you'll notice these louvers here, these vents, those are right now they're oscillating. And just by pressing the swing button right here, you press that once, and then they'll just stay at that position. You press it again, and then they'll continue to oscillate up and down. So that's just a personal preference of however you want it to be. And then of course the mode button, which is for cool, a fan only, so no cooling. And I don't know if you could hear that, but the motor changed pitch because it's only just blowing instead of cooling and blowing. And then one more for the dry button. And remember, that's the dehumidifier. So you're gonna wanna have a hose hooked up to that, draining into a drain so it's not draining onto the floor. We'll kick back over to cool. Leave the speed at low. It's set at 68. It was 72, so it would run until the room reaches that set temperature. And then a timer, you can also set the timer for a specific period of time. So mode, cool, power, swing, speed, down and up temperature, the mode to either cool, fan, or dry, and then the timer. So we'll go ahead and power it off. Nice little chime. And that's basically it. Quick and easy. This thing works like a charm. It's great. I checked the manufacturer's recommendations for the room size of what this can cool or dehumidify, and you want to go with their recommendations. But that is our real quick review of the SereneLife. And if you decide to get it, well, we hope that it works out for you.